What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Currency Counts, where I cover all things money, from how to save money, make more money, side hustles, and everything in between. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 credit cards with instant approval that you can use right away. Now these credit cards aren't some online catalog store that you could only use for that website. These are legit credit cards with legit credit limits. Let's check them out. So let's start with the first one. So I'm here at Best Buy. Don't worry, it's not a Best Buy store card. It's an actual Citibank Visa card, but you're not gonna apply through Citibank. You're gonna apply through Best Buy. So we're gonna go up top right here where it says credit cards. And from here, we can apply for the credit card. Once we apply, you're gonna get an instant decision. When I applied for this card, I was approved right away. What's cool about this card is that once you get approved, that instant approval, you can use it for anything on the Best Buy website. And then when your card actually comes in, you can use it anywhere, just like any other Visa card, right? Another perk of this card is that you can choose for 5% back in rewards or flexible finance options. So the flexible finance option varies. It depends on the purchase price of the item. You can get 6 months, 12 months, or 18 months, I believe. Again, it just depends on the purchase price of the item you're purchasing. And another cool little bonus is, let's say we're gonna buy this fridge right here, right? We apply for the card. Upon checkout, we'll get an instant decision if we're approved for the card, and you can use it right away. And you can get no interest if paid in full within 18 months. So you get 18 months, 0 interest, or you can get 10% back in rewards. But I always choose 0% interest for 18 months. And yes, I do actually have this card. Another perk of the Citibank Visa card is you get exclusive deals, exclusive pricing only available to card holders. I would like to mention on both cards, you will have to have a pretty decent credit score to be approved for these cards. All right, so the second card, and my favorite, is gonna be the Amazon Prime Chase Visa card. So who doesn't use Amazon, right? I use this card all the time. So what's cool about this card is your first purchase, you get a $50 Amazon gift card instantly upon approval, and you can use it towards your purchase. So for example, this right here, purchase price is $299, $50 savings, it will come out to $249. All you have to do is apply. It'll give you an instant decision. It'll give you an instant credit limit, just like the first card. And you can use it throughout the Amazon website until you get your card in the mail, your physical card, and you can use it anywhere, just like any other credit card. So this card also has the option for 0% financing for 6, 12, and 18 months, depending on the purchase price. There's 2 different cards here. There's the Amazon Rewards Visa card and Amazon Prime Rewards Signature Visa card. Another cool reason I really like this card is because of the rewards. You get rewards on every purchase you make, not just certain items. So let me just show you some of the points and the money that I've saved here. In rewards, in the past 12 months, I've had $43.18 worth of rewards that I can redeem for a purchase. And then you get 5% back at Amazon and Whole Foods, 2% at restaurants, gas station, and drugstores, 1% on all other purchases. So anytime you use this card, you're gonna get 1% back in rewards on any purchase. And then you also get exclusive deals only available to card holders. So when I got this card, there was a really good promotion running. On your first purchase, you receive a $150 gift card. So right now, with the Visa Signature, it's $75. I had bought this lens a while back when I actually applied for this card. $325 for the lens. I ended up paying $207 because I received that $150 gift card just for applying and being approved for the card. Now on both cards, they should go without saying, but you will need a pretty decent credit score to be approved for these cards. But because you need a good credit score, you're gonna receive a pretty good credit limit. I would say around 6,000 to 7,000, just depending on your credit score. So I just wanted to share this information with you. These are 2 cards that I actually do have. I went online looking for some more information on other cards with instant approvals that you can use right away, same day, but I really couldn't find anything. So if you have any information on any other card you can use right away, please let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.